A blizzard is a massive snowstorm that is accompanied by strong winds and low visibility. The Great Blizzard of 1888 was one of the worst blizzards recorded in American history. The blizzard paralyzed the U.S. East Coast, as well as parts of Canada. Many places received up to 58 inches of snow. Deadly winds were blowing at a velocity of more than 72 kilometers per hour. Railway, telegraph lines, and emergency services were severely affected. Gigantic snow heaps, some as high as 50 feet, were visible in many areas. People could not step out of their homes for up to a week.